Ujambo, hi everyone. Today you will learn about trending Swahili phrases. Trending Swahili phrases. Let's get started. 1. Asante. Asante. Thank you. Thank you. 2. Karibu. Karibu. You are welcome. You are welcome. 3. Habari. Habari. How are you? How are you? 4. Tafadhali. Tafadhali. Please. 5. Pole. Pole. Sorry. Sorry. 6. Hujambo. Hujambo. Hello. Hello. 7. Mambo. Mambo. What's up? What's up? 8. Shikamoo. Shikamoo. Greetings to elder. 9. Ndio. Ndio. Yes. Yes. 10. Hapana. Hapana. No. No. 11. Samahani. Samahani. Excuse me. 12. Sawa. Sawa. Okay. Okay. 13. Tutaonana. Tutaonana. See you. See you. Or see you later. 14. Usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Good night. Good night. 15. Subiri. Subiri. Wait. Wait. 16. Haraka. Haraka. Quickly. 17. Njoo. Njoo. Come. Come. 18. Enda. Enda. Go. Go. 19. Ndio maana. Ndio maana. That's why. That's why. 20. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. No worries. No worries. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kwaheri.